Hello everyone, I'm Mohan VeeraManikanta Kalepu, a student of CSCA at KIET. Today I tell you to showcase my chatbot project GenI built as a part of the K-HUB Junior Developer Intern 2025 task. Let's show starts from first GitHub and then go for deployment server render and then next code, then concludes. We'll just go for the GitHub server. Here is my GitHub repository. His my GitHub username is Mohan VeeraManikanta K. Is my GitHub repository name Chatbot. Here you can see here open. This is the visible for public. Everyone check here GitHub repository. Here is my readme file. Which technology tech skills are around. Which languages, which API key I used. I have mentioned here in this repository in readme file. Here chatbot D file folder is the main concept. Is there is the templates static folder. Static folder contains JavaScript JS and next style CSS and next templates folder. In this index.html is present and next .env. Env is equal to API key. Next API.py. Here I can use in this Flask using Flask technology and Google generative AI GenAI API key. I use it to develop this project. And next in this GitHub repository containing all the sources codes, front-end, back-end, and proper documentation. It also included a README with setup instructions and deployment setups. The chatbot is live and fully functional at the link. Now I can show as a link last at the time. Now I go to for the render. Is the render. Here is the render website. Here I can deploy my live site here. I convert my practice to live deployment. Whenever practice is converted to live, it showcases our skills to companies. Okay, here is the complete activity who converted BTech student to job. Here is a more perspective and hard work result. Okay, here is the render template. It is the render website, which is my project to develop. I develop here with my project develop here. Um, this was here is a Gen AI chatbot powered by John. Okay. Okay, let's go for the live website. Here is the live Gen AI website. Here I can here's Gen AI and an AI chatbot powered by Gemini 2025 flagship AI. It's designed to be fast, minimalized, and fully responsive across all devices. The interface supports Markdown, typing animation, and copy to the clipboard for the better user experience. Let's try the live chatbot. Can I ask what the question? I have a question. Is what is what is the future mission LBA RNNC RNNC mission learning? What is mission learning? People don't answer it, but what you do? Let's say it's a little bit too fast. There is a response for all devices, including mobile screen, laptop screen. I will start here and apps also. So, okay, promise will connect. It will give an answer. I asked that what is mission learning? The capture sentence and it will give lot of information about machine learning. That's nice. Progress. Okay, this is mobile screen. Okay, mobile screen and laptop screen. So let's go for the next. We'll ask next question. So, it's giving lot of information. Okay, okay. Lot of information. The call recommendation is okay, okay. Just exit. That's it. Okay, next question. Give me motivational quotation. What should we do? Do- 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 type for motivational video. I asked him that one motivational quote. Okay, let's try on the new chart. Next question is try on the new chart. Okay. Here the general chart. Bring in the chart. Chart three. And let's ask one forward. Same as this. Do you need so do you need one? Do you need two? Have to need two. You need two motivation and I will I'm making sentences for sorry. I will calculate. You you quote. There is two motivation quotes if they wanted to get one. And okay, nice. Believe you can do it. Okay, give motivation too. Nice. And we can save the chart also. Okay. We can delete the chart. It will delete. It's working. It's working. Okay, let's start for next. Hi there. Can we ask question number three? That concludes our this. Uh, that's time. Ask a simple question. Time. We don't know the how to current time current time safety. The current time, the current time is okay, the API is which that API I'm using updated to November 27, 2023 up to itself. Before I get more information apart from that of November 27, 2023 to still now I get no any update or any information is now okay. Okay, let's go for the next say let you let me show how a quick demo. As seen as the Gemini response accurately and quickly, and your conversation history stays saved right inside the browser, right inside your browser. Still is here. Conversation is a conversation from charts. If the conversation saves and directs, you can open new chart, or you can rename the chart, you can delete the chart. Okay, so different modes you can develop in future. You can develop here like GPT or Gemini or any API. We can demand market opponent like GPT. Next, can we see the next? So can we go for 4 years code? I will see. I will explain my code. Okay, here's my code sector in which I was using. Uh, VS Code and I will develop my project here. Next, I can easily manage the charts, new charts once remind them of the limits here. In this templates folder, I took it index.html. In this index.html, use the index here, different tags, S1 and S2 tags. And span tags. Span tags can use different types, like when you are using uh, at one sentence, two different colors. Here using the span is very different between other tags. Span is very different. And the next HR, I know that when I'm in second year, I know one tag HR tag. Here is the very different between when you are using HR, it will draw the horizontal line. It's very unique in the HTML tags of itself. Now I'm using the HTML document, HTML file to download this project and a little bit of JavaScript and a little bit of CSS. The most interactive and attractive and the most relevant time to do this project, because HTML CSS is every time to do more interactive. అంటే ఎక్కువ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుంది అనమాట మనం చూడడం వల్ల, ఇది చేయడం వల్ల చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్తో చేస్తాం. మనకు మనకు కావాల్సిన స్టైల్స్ కానీ, మనకు కావాల్సిన డాక్యుమెంట్స్, మనకు కావాల్సిన దాంట్లో మనం అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోవడం కానీ అలా జరుగుతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మనం యూజ్ చేసిన లాంగ్వేజెస్, టెక్నికల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ HTML ఒకటి, CSS అండ్ జావాస్క్రిప్ట్. దీంతో పాటు మనకు మెయిన్గా ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ యూజ్ చేసింది పైథాన్, ఫ్లాస్క్. పైథాన్ నుంచి ఫ్లాస్క్ అని ఒక మాడ్యూల్, ఒక ఇంపోర్ట్ మాడ్యూల్ ద్వారా తీసుకోండి. ఇది ఒక వెండర్ టెంప్లెట్ ద్వారా యూజ్ చేసుకుని మన యొక్క ఇంపోర్ట్ చేసుకుని ఫ్లాస్క్ని వర్క్ చేస్తాం అనమాట. మరి ఇక్కడ ఫ్లాస్క్ చూసుకుంటే మనకు నేను ఈఎన్విలో ఏదైతే జెమినై ఉందో, ఈ ఈఎన్వి అనేది ఏపీఐ డాట్ కాల్ చేస్తుంది. Here load environmental variable. Here is the variable that loads Gemini key from env.com. Env, then as well local. Okay, that's the Gemini. Here is the local and here is Flask. Here is a API short. Is the main route for the receiving messages to backend and then backend to frontend. It is a very difficult. When we are sending messages, API correct is not correct is very difficult to do the next one. Okay. The folder section of the open project in VS Code. The architecture in build we're using Flask or development on HTML, JS and frontend. I use the GENI to handle a response, chart history. It's stored locally using local stages and the environmental variables are used to keep the API key source. That's not the objective itself. Okay. Next, the repository includes essential requirements. Essential requirements here. Essential requirements .txt. It means which imported folders or which the extensions, Python extensions that the names are there in the requirement folder. You can clone it and your own Gemini API key and develop it locally or on platform it will render. I could like to thank K-HUB for all this opportunity. Thank you for watching. I'm Mohan VeeraManikanta Kalepu. And this way my Gemini Chatbot submission. Let's keep building the future together. Thank you.